Today we are going to dive into the world of Python automation. I will show you three simple yet powerful Python automation scripts that can save you hours of time and help increase your daily productivity. If you're new here, check out my previous videos where I've shared more scripts. I've linked them below in the description. So let's get started. My name is Santosh. Let's explore automation together. The first script which you're going to see today is email inbox cleaner. We've all been there. The email inbox gets full and we lose the overview of important emails. Now, all the script is going to do is select specific emails and delete them once and for all. In this email inbox, I would like to delete all the emails having the subject Outlook. Okay, now let's see the script in action. All I'm going to do for that is just play the start button. Here we can see an email has been selected and I have some output. Now let's see what the script does. All the script does is creates an email object and selects the inbox, searches all the emails having the subject Outlook. Now, what we do is here we set the flag to delete. Using this expunge function, we delete the email once and for all. Now let's head back to the inbox and see whether the email has been deleted or not. I'll just quickly do a refresh. Voila, the email has been deleted. The second script which you're going to see is to summarize the bank statements. For this, I have a bank statement as a CSV file. Here we have a column date, description, and the amount. Okay, I have fairly a month's data here. By the way, these are all random data. All I'm going to do with the script is to get myself an overview of where my money is being spent. Let's see the script in action. The script has categorized my bank statements and shows me the value. All right, here we can see 4 different categories: food, other, shopping, and transport. So now let's see how the script works. All we do here is import the pandas package and read the CSV file into a data frame, categorize using this function, and with a single line, we get the summary of the bank statement. The third script for today is going to be generating the passwords. Are you using the same password for all the websites? Then this script is already a solution for you. Using this script, we can generate a randomized password. Let's see the script in action. Perfect, here's my password. Now I can just copy paste this password and save them anywhere. Now let's see how the script works. All I'm doing here is just importing the packages random and string. I define a length here, length of 15 characters. Using choice function, I get 15 unique characters every time when I generate. And that's it. 3 simple Python script to make your daily routine easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips and tutorials. Which automation task was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you have other ideas or want me to create script for a specific task, drop your suggestion in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.